Hello, welcome everybody. Today we are going to see another one question from second semester engineering physics for polytechnic examinations. The question we are going to see today is define superconductivity, transition temperature, superconductor and Meissner effect. This can be asked for 5 mark question as write short note on superconductivity or superconductors. Separate definitions means for 2 mark and 3 mark. First we are going to see about superconductivity. At very low temperatures, the resistance of certain material becomes zero and hence they have high conductance. This phenomena is called superconductivity. That is, when the temperature is lowered, the materials, their resistance, we know all materials have resistances. When the temperature is lowered, the resistance decreases, but for certain materials the resistance drops to zero. So with zero resistance the conductivity become infinite, so they have high conductivity. This phenomena is called superconductivity. Next we are going to see about transition temperature. The temperature below which a conductor becomes a superconductor is called transition temperature. That is, this is a particular value of temperature. At this transition temperature, the normal conductor suddenly becomes a superconductor. So this is called transition temperature. The temperature below which a conductor becomes a superconductor is called transition temperature. Next we are going to see about superconductors. The materials which goes to superconducting state when cooled below transition temperature are called superconductors. That is, not all the materials exhibit superconductivity. There are only certain materials like mercury which exhibit superconductivity. That is, when mercury is cooled below its transition temperature, it becomes a superconductor. Like that, the materials which go to superconducting state when cooled below transition temperature are called superconductors. Next we are going to see about Meissner effect. The complete ejection of magnetic flux lines as the conductor enters into a superconducting state is called Meissner effect. That is, ejection refers to the magnetic flux lines are pushed out of the conductor when it turns into a superconductor from a normal conductor. This ejection of magnetic flux lines is called Meissner effect. When we see the diagram, we can better understand this. See, here we have the diagram of Meissner effect. In the first state is the normal state. Here we have the magnetic flux line. Magnetic flux lines are represented by magnetic lines of force, that is perpendicular or parallel lines, equidistant lines. These lines can enter into a material when they are in the normal state. When the normal conductor becomes a superconductor, that is when it is cooled below the transition temperature, it becomes a superconductor. When it becomes a superconductor, the magnetic flux lines are no more inside the conductor. The magnetic flux lines are pushed out of the conductor. This effect is called Meissner effect. I think you have understand the questions very well. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you for those all who have subscribed and those who are watching. Kindly thanks for your subscriptions once more. Thank you.